Well, folks, this is going to be my fourth attempt at making this video. Hi, this is Stacy. You've reached Rockhounding the Ridge. I'd show you my face, but every time I start the camera and try to figure out how to turn it around once the video is going, it does not let me. So, I don't ever intend to be personally on camera. This is all about the rocks. So, we'll just start out that way. How about that? I'll say hi. Hi. All right, here we go. So about 1.5 years ago, my family purchased some property in Washington County, Missouri, and I am finding treasure trove of things. And I just wanted to take a minute to show you a few of those things, figure out how this video setup's going to work, and then later today, when I get my shipment of rocks, I'll probably do an unboxing video. But anyway, welcome, and this is the first rock that I found. Now, I knew that this was fossil. I did not know what type of fossil, but a new acquaintance of mine took a look at it and said that it's stromatolite fossil in chert. And if it's chert, it should polish up a little bit and bring out that banding a little bit. So, what I'm going to do with this rock eventually here is just kind of round it out a little bit, and then polish it up, grind this face down, get it looking all pretty, and then I'm going to probably sell this one because I really think that someone's going to love this. Look at all that banding. It's going to be pretty once it's polished. Okay, so, but since I'm new to this and I did not want to mess this piece up, I went with a smaller fossil this first time. And I'm going to tell you about this one. So, that one's stromatolite fossil in chert. Chert is a harder rock, but this one is ammonite fossils in sandstone, and this was found just kicking over dirt. And then once I cut this just to kind of practice on the tile saw a little bit, and it dried, I realized how flaky it was and that you could just pop it apart and reveal all these little beautiful ammonite fossils inside. And so this isn't going to polish. The sandstone will just crumble away. So I'm not going to do anything. I think with this, probably just set it out as a nice, pretty example of the things that you can find when you split open rocks in Missouri. Pretty cute. I love it. All right. Moving on to another type of fossil I found here. And I can't swear to you that this is a fossil, but I truly believe in my amateur research that this is fossil replacement. This looks like it used to be a sea sponge or some type of sea creature. And what's really cool about this is it has all of these ridges and different holes and different plugs of there's a few places where you can kind of see some micro drusy or chalcedony. But it's got lots of pockets, lots of different little windows to look in. It's so pretty. And I think, honestly, I'll probably just I got to power wash this. I'm tempted to... I'm going to power wash this. I don't think I'm going to put this in any other treatment. I am afraid that this might dissolve. I really don't know what this is. But I'll probably power wash it real pretty and then, polish up the sides and make it more uniform and just bring out the beautiful in this extremely old rock that was once a beautiful creature, I believe. So that's a project for another day. Then look at this one. This is botryoidal chalcedony in rope chert. And I have found a lot of this type of stuff here. And, oh, look at that. Just beautiful little botryoidal pockets that are not drusy. Those are not crystals. It's got to be chalcedony. I don't think it's this has got a lot of rust in it. I'm thinking about going ahead and soaking this a little bit and seeing what cleans out. And then, I don't know, guys. This pocket right here makes me want to cut this rock open so bad, but I also don't want to ruin what I can already see. So I'm not sure what I'll do with this rock yet. But it's so beautiful, and there's so much ropey chert, and I think it's unique and just really cute. So there's that. And that's about it. I think that I'll end this video for now. And I just wanted to thank you again for stopping by and joining me on my first content making video. I hope you enjoyed the fossils that I had to show you. And I hope you'll stop by again. Bye.